video, I am going to share with you one of my favorite ways of relaxation. That is doing my facial at home. Every once in a month, I like to give myself a facial at home, and I love using various products to pamper my skin. This really helps to keep my skin glowing and smooth and tanning free. So today I'm going to share with you all my favorite products that I use and tell you how I do my facial at home. So the first step is to tie your hair away from your face because you don't want them to get dirty from the creams. I will be using these cotton pads from Minsha to cleanse my face using this cleanser cum toner from Fab India. This is their tea tree toner and it is really good to get rid of acne and remove every bit of dirt and gunk from your face. Next, I'm going to use this lavender gel from a company called Kashmiri Essence. Now this is a handmade cooling gel made with lavender essential oils, and this is really good for the skin because it helps in lightening and brightening the skin. I'm going to massage this gently into my skin. Lavender is an excellent skin toner, skin lightener, and also helps in removing the suntan. Now I'm just taking a cotton pad dipped in water to clean my skin. The next step is to scrub your face, and I'm using this coffee scrub from Aroma Magic. Wow, this smells completely like coffee. It is so refreshing. It is very important to exfoliate your skin at least once a week to get rid of all the dead skin and the tan. Now that we are on scrubbing, here I'm also going to scrub my lips using this lip scrub by a company called Secrets. to the most important part of a facial, a very good massage. So here I'm using this aloe vera cucumber cream to massage my face. Always massage your face in the upward direction. This helps in increasing blood flow to your face and it just refreshes your muscles. I also like to press on some pressure points to get complete relaxation and just forget about any stress in my life. Next, I'm going to use this small tool for removing my blackheads. You need to be really careful and gentle while using it because you don't want to hurt your face. Now, I'm going to cover my face with this warm, wet towel. This will just open up my pores and let them breathe. Now I'm going to put on this rose face pack on my face. This is again by the company called Kashmiri Essence and it has real rose petals in it. This face pack helps in preventing any wrinkle formation and also cures your skin from any damage caused by weather and pollution. While the face pack is drying, it is very important to hydrate from the inside. So I'm enjoying some fresh coconut water. Alright, so are you guys ready for the reveal? Yay! Look at that! My skin is totally oil-free. I'm feeling so refreshed and I'm enjoying the brightness on my skin. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I will try to put the link of all the products that I have used down below. So do give a huge thumbs up to this video. It will support my channel, and also if you have not subscribed till now, do subscribe to my channel. We have to reach 5,000 subscribers, guys. If you try this facial at home, do click a facial selfie and tag me on your Instagram story. I would love to see you guys.